I feel like a proper clown girl. This looks awful. I'm taking this off. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to recreate my tattoo on my face. And what I mean by that is my tattoo, which you can't see. I'm just gonna insert a photo. My tattoo has makeup on her face, and we're gonna recreate said makeup. I was gonna do a voiceover, but I think I'm just gonna do this kind of get ready with me style because honestly, I'm winging this 100%. I have no plan. I don't know what I'm doing. Paint, just kidding. All right, so I'm gonna start off with concealer because I look awful. She has a really, really weird color skin though. She's got like white-ish skin, light skin, with blue highlights and contour, which is just not natural at all, obviously. But she is a clown, so. Alright, so I don't want to go like straight white because she has kind of a tint of regular color, so I'm just gonna take this tiny foundation that I got in the mail from Sephora. And also this white, this white paint. I'm just gonna dot the paint on, and then dot also the, this is really cold by the way. I'm gonna dot on the foundation, which just happens to be a little too light for me anyway. Oh no, mistakes were made. And we're gonna see what happens. My guess is something really stupid. Yeah, that's working. Sure. The coverage is like bloody awful. I would not recommend this as like an actual foundation. I hope you guys know that. Don't go out like this. No. I don't care if you're like albino. This does not look good. It probably would have been better with a sponge, honestly. So I'm just going to stipple it on. I'm going to stop brushing it on. I mean, okay, so this is definitely light, for sure. So base is down. I look scary. Let's do eyebrows next, I guess. She has really curved eyebrows, and very dark eyebrows, but I'm not really sure if I want to. I guess I could recreate the curve a little bit. I don't really want to, because I know that's gonna look bad on me. And I'm definitely not doing it as thin as hers are, because I'm not blocking out my eyebrows for this. Hell no. My eyebrows are way too furry for that shit. Remember, they're sisters, not twins. So hers are really dark, so I'm going to fill mine in with mascara just to darken it up some more. So. This looks weird. Ow! Stab myself with a freaking mascara wand. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is contour, and this is gonna be the hard part because her contour is like blue. I'm afraid. I don't think it's gonna look good. This is a horrible idea. I regret everything. Okay, so I'm taking this really like weird blending brush and this BH Cosmetics palette. And there's like a blue in there. It seems to be okay. This is not showing up on camera the way it is in person. Which is like, yeah. And it's also kind of metallic, which is just a horrible, horrible idea. Okay, so forehead looks okay. I'm trying to like blend it into my hairline a little bit better. Okay, forehead looks okay. I look like an alien. Great, love it, love the aesthetic. The hard part is also that her contour is like freaking weird. It's like all over the face. Yep, some totally normal blue contouring down here. Blend them two together. She doesn't have any blush or anything either, so that I don't have anything to cover up any mistakes I make. This looks so weird to me. This, middle brow contour is quite weird. But it's happened. Okay, so let's move on to eyeshadow. Because I think I'm gonna cry if I do any more contouring, because it looks really weird. Alright, so I don't quite have the right color. I guess this is the right color. Yeah, it looks right. I wish I could like make this into a tag. I don't know if anyone's ever done this before. I'm sure they probably have, but I think that'd be interesting. Like recreate your tattoos makeup tag. It'd be really interesting because I'm sure a lot of people out there have like portraits and stuff. I actually only have the one portrait. So unless I wanted, well, the only other portrait I have, or portraits I have, are fictional, like mythical characters besides Gandalf. So I've got the one on my arm, which is a lady, obviously. Very pretty lady. You know, and like, so this was my option. Unless I wanted to do a makeup of Gandalf, which I don't think anyone would find interesting. Looks better. It's better than I thought it would. So I'm just putting like straight up black on my face. Which is like, you know, the biggest no-no in the makeup industry, and I've already fucked it up. One of my eyes always looks better than the other, no matter what makeup look I'm doing. Always. Okay, so last but not least on the eyeballs, as far as eyeshadow goes, I'm just gonna put a little, oh, that inner corner with some color pop. You probably can't even tell on camera. It's fucking bright. Pardon my French. I forgot that she has a little bit of like black contouring, so I'm gonna do that, and also maybe a little bit of highlight. Oh, there we go. This is like the bluest highlight that I have. Wow. Because it's actually eyeshadow. It's not actually highlight, but screw it. Oh boy. I feel like an alien more than a clown. I guess since I put on like the clown type stuff, I'll feel like more like a clown, but I definitely don't feel like one right now. Yeah, she's got a lot like under here on her nose, which I feel is gonna make me look way more alien-like. Yeah, it's like all up under here. I feel like I'm gonna look like I do. I look like a deer. Weird. And then, what side is it? This side. So she's got like a little bit going up on the black. I hope I look more cartoony than anything, because if I look semi-normal, I will be concerned. Oh yeah, for sure. Okay. So what next? What should we do next? I'm thinking we'll finish off the eyes with eyeliner and just some cheap elf lashes that I have. Okay. I'm not gonna film myself doing liner because this is gonna be wing liner. Yeah, we're just gonna go with that because I think that looks okay, because it's gonna be covered up by the lashes, which is what we're gonna do now. Okay, so I was digging through my drawers and I found these instead. These are what we're gonna use because they look crazy. Ow! I already don't like it. They're insane. Wah! I used to actually wear these lashes all the time with my clown costume I used to do, called Penelope Blaze, way back in the day. It was like this horror clown costume I used to do with my friends. it was like, I was an aerialist, and one of them was a ringleader, and one of them was a clown. I don't remember what the other two character names were, but I think one of them was like Bubbles the Clown, or something stupid like that. These are probably dry now. All right. Let me attempt to put these on without stabbing out my eyeballs. I'm afraid. Now I look like a drag queen. Okay, eyelashes are sort of done. They are still kind of drying, so I'm just gonna fill in the inner corners that could not be attached with eyeliner. I still look like a deer. Alright, now time for bottom lashes. Now, she has these really crazy, like, long, thick bottom lashes, and I don't have any, like, lash inserts. So, I'm gonna do what I used to do when I was in the circus, and, just draw them on. I'm gonna take my liquid liner, and I'm just gonna draw really long lines, basically, from my inner, or from my outer corner going outward. And I'm making them slightly smaller as I go by. Can you see? Probably could have made them longer, but that is okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do all of her little red stuff, and I'm just gonna take this like artist brush that I use for painting models, because I'm a nerd and I paint models for D&D. And I'm going to just, what is this? Oh, gross. I'm gonna take this liquid lipstick and just draw on all her little red bits. So let's start with the dots. There's one in between the eyelid and the eyebrow. Yeah, I'm gonna start small and then get bigger because I'm, just afraid I'm gonna screw it up. Listen, this goes all the way down to like her mouth. So, okay, that seems a pretty good size. Now I just gotta fill it in. And this brush is kind of small, so this is gonna take a second. Decent. And now she has exactly the same, the other direction. It's on top of her head. Okay, so I'm starting to look a little bit like a clown. That makes me feel better because I was looking real weird for a second. Good enough. Okay, and then she has little hearts on each side, so now we gotta do that. Should I do that? Where are they exactly? Yeah, okay, so. I hate drawing hearts. Wow, that actually turned out pretty good. First try. I'm so itchy. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I almost kind of look like a Sith character. Like I could be like Darth Clownius. Oh, so itchy. Okay. I think I want to touch some of this up with Love Plus from Sugar Pill, because it's the most red thing on the planet. Fill it in where I feel like I didn't fill it in well enough. This is actually looking a lot better than I thought it was going to. I think the last thing that we need to do is the mouth. So, I'm gonna take back my liquid liner And she's got these like curly cues that come up. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. And then now lips. Taking a black lipstick from e.l.f. that I think was like $1. And we're gonna see. We're gonna fill it in. I'm gonna put some highlight on it, I think. Alright, so for some of that highlight, it's already pretty sheeny, but girl needs her sparkle. Oh no, I just got black lipstick in. Dang it. So I don't have that weird like collar thing that she has, but here's a white shirt. You know what? Honestly, I'm actually, and I try to do my hair the best to my ability of hers. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with myself. I think I look almost spot on to her. And I was really skeptical about how this was going to come out. I think I did a pretty good job. Let's do a little close-up so you can see. So all in all, I'm actually really excited about this makeup. I think I did a much better job than I thought I was going to, and I'm really pleasantly surprised about how it turned out. If you guys want to recreate this look, tag me in it. I would love to see it, and I have no problems with you recreating it as your Halloween clown look, or just a clown look for whenever you want to scare people or be cute. I don't care. I kind of want to make this a challenge. If you guys have any portraits tattooed on you, try to recreate their makeup. Try to recreate what your portrait looks like. If any of the tattooed people I follow see this and want to do it, I tag Kiera Rose, Catherine Bertz, Quickened, Barbara Crane, Manami Frost. Just everyone do it. So again, thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I had so much fun doing this. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you're not new here, thank you for being a ride or die. And of course, join me next time for something completely different. Bye. I'm gonna have so much fun washing this off my face now. I should go to the grocery store and see what happens. Scare people.